In this project, I will be connecting Zolcano development kit to the ChatGPT, okay, to generate image, and also let's ask some questions to the ChatGPT, okay, and we will get the response in the URL, okay. We can see the response in the serial monitor of the Arduino, okay, Arduino IDE. Okay, to buy this development kit, let's go to this website zolcano.com. Okay, go to this products section. Okay, and uh, search for this one. Okay, ESP32 MP3 LCD 16 cross 2 MOSFET and relay development kit. Okay, this is the complete development kit for the ESP32. Okay, this board will connect to Google Firebase. It can also be controlled from Google Voice Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, and it can also send sensor data to the AWS, Azure, and many more. Okay, you can use this AWS and Azure as an IoT platform, and you can control or monitor the device by using this IoT platform. Okay, and it also has this LCD 16 cross 2 display. Okay, and it has two relays to control the high voltage devices, and it also has two MOSFET based motor driver circuit. You can connect up to 12 voltage DC motor or solenoid valve. Okay, okay. The cost of this board is 2200 rupees. Okay, you can buy it. In this example, let's see how to connect ESP32 to the ChatGPT. Okay, for that you need to install OpenAI library. Okay, you need to go to this GitHub page. Okay, github.com me no dev OpenAI ESP32. Okay, we need to download and install download and add this zip file to the Arduino IDE. Okay, okay. Let's see the demo. Okay, you can ask anything, it will respond back similar to this ChatGPT page. Okay, you can in this code, the ESP32, you can send the question on the UART, and it will reply back on the UART only. Okay, here I am using this serial monitor to read the uh, answer, that is response from the ChatGPT. Okay, here I am sending. I am just asking what's your name. Okay, it takes few seconds to connect to ChatGPT, and it will give the response. Okay, yeah, we got the response. That is, I'm an AI assistant created by a team of developers. You can call me assistant or just AI. Okay, how can I help you today? This is the response which we got for what's your name. Okay, we'll ask one more question, that is, what is ESP32? Okay, okay, we got the response. ESP32 is a series of low cost, low power system on chip microcontrollers with integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, developed by Expressive System. It is widely used in IoT as it provides versatile platform for building connected devices. Okay, ESP32 offers a range of features and capabilities, making it popular among hobbyist makers and professional developers. Okay, okay. This is how we use ChatGPT. using this ESP32. Okay, like this, if we add this microphone and speaker, you can directly ask question on the microphone, that is speech to text, and this text will be converted and it will be sent as the question to the ChatGPT. And whenever we get the response, we need to um, convert that text to speech, and then we can play using the small 3-watt speaker. Okay, like that it will become the complete AI assistant device. Okay, and in the next session, let's see like how to um, like generate the API key, how to get this API key from the chat GPT. Okay, in this example code, I have just added LCD 16 cross 2 display to the chat GPT code. Okay, let's send the question using the serial monitor, and we can get the response on the LCD 16 cross 2 display. Okay, let's see the demo. Okay, in serial monitor, I will just ask hello OpenAI. Okay, I'm sending. Okay, this is the response. We got it in the LCD 16 cross 2 display. Okay, hello, how can I assist today? Okay, in this example, let's see how we can generate image using ESP32, which is connected to the ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, using Arduino. Okay, to send the command, you need to use the serial monitor. Okay, the ESP32 module is connected using USB cable. Okay, um, it is connected to the COM port 5. Okay, we need to send the command. Okay, I am sending generate image. Okay, generate Tom and Jerry image. Okay, this is the simple command I am sending, generate Tom and Jerry image. Okay, I am sending. It is processing now. Okay, we got the link. We need to copy this link and then we need to search it on the Google. Okay, I just copied the link. Okay, I'm searching this link in the Google. Okay, this is the image we got. Okay, this is generated by ChatGPT and ESP32. Okay, this doesn't look like Tom and Jerry. Okay, this is not Cartoon Network Tom and Jerry. This is like some Chinese Tom and Jerry. Okay, let's generate another. Okay, I am clearing this. Okay, chat, and let's generate image of Batman. Okay, okay, India flag. Indian flag. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got this URL. Let's copy this URL. I just copied. Okay, let's see what we will get. Okay, I just pasted in the Chrome. Yeah, this is what we got from ESP32 and ChatGPT. Okay, this is perfect. Let's generate one more image. Okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, riding bike. Let's see. Okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni riding bike. Okay, we got the URL. I'm just copying this URL. Okay, I'm just pasting the URL. This is not Dhoni. Okay, but it generated some random guy riding bike. This is not perfect. Let's try to generate only Dhoni pic. Okay, MS Dhoni. I think it is processing. Yes, we got the URL. Okay, I'm copying this URL. Okay, let's see. I will open one more tab. Okay, this is also not Dhoni. Okay, this is some animated character. I don't leave this ESP32 on ChatGPT until it generates perfect Dhoni image. Okay, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay, image. Okay, we got the link and let's see. Okay, no, this is also not a Dhoni image. This time I gave this comment, MS Dhoni, cricketer, India. Okay, let's see. I'm clearing this old link. It is processing. Yeah, we got this link. Let's see. Okay, this is the fourth image. Okay, URL is wrong. Okay, 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 this is the fourth image. Let's see. No, this is also not perfect. This is some Pani Puri wala. This time I gave this comment, MS Dhoni lifting World Cup. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got the link. This is the fifth image. Let's see this time. No, this is also some 2D character. I think ChatGPT won't generate this actual person's image. Okay. Okay. This ESP32 on ChatGPT didn't give proper result for the MS Dhoni. Let's search Jai Shri Ram. Okay, let's see whether we will get or not. Okay, I am searching this Jai Shri Ram. Okay, okay, I got the link. This ESP32 on ChatGPT failed to generate this generate our favorite cricketer Mahendra Singh Dhoni, but let's see whether it will generate Sri Ram. I entered wrong URL. Okay, this is the actual URL. Let's see. We didn't get Sri Ram, we got Hanuman. Jai Hanuman. Thank you guys.